Okay, so this tip is for contouring. It's a way of defining your cheekbones and giving you that optimal oval look on your face.
So you have a spoon,
I have a spoon.
What's going on with the spoon?
So with the spoon,
I know. I'm a little confused on this one, I have to say.
I mean, yes, you can use it for soup, and then you can also use it to contour right afterwards. So what I do is I use a taupey color and just go right in here, right? And it also, if you have rosacea like me, it calms down your cheeks. And then afterwards, as you can see...
You guys are all about spa tips here. This is cool. So it's taking down the red in her face because the spoon is cool.
Exactly.
And she follows the edge to draw in the cheekbones.
That's right.
Very cool.
That's right. So afterwards, obviously you don't want to walk out looking, you know, going out with stripes. So then you just blend it with a bronzer, or you can use a what do we call it, like a light blush, and just blend like this.
Oh.
It's not bad. I think it's pretty good too, don't you think?
Gag me with the spoon, Rachel. Gag me with the spoon.
Gag me with the spoon.